Life can be tough. Sometimes it feels like we're trapped in a cycle of sadness and despair. Feeling trapped in your own mind is a common experience, often associated with mental health conditions like depression or anxiety. It can be described as a sense of being isolated, disconnected, or overwhelmed by your own thoughts and emotions. But ask yourself, is it worth it? The change is in your own will. Changing habits can be a daunting task, but it's often the small, consistent steps that lead to significant transformations. Here are some strategies to help you make positive changes. Number 1. Take a short walk. Even a 5 to 10 minute walk outside can help clear your mind and boost your mood. Number 2. Stretch or do light exercise. A few minutes of stretching or simple exercises can help release tension and improve your energy. Number 3. Change your environment. If you can, move to a different room or rearrange your space a little. A change of scenery can be refreshing. Number 4. Listen to music or a podcast. Put on some music you love or find an interesting podcast to listen to. It can be a great way to engage your mind. Number 5. Try a new recipe. If you enjoy cooking, pick a simple recipe and give it a try. Cooking can be a fun and rewarding activity. Number 6. Read a book or article. Find a book or an article that interests you. Even reading a few pages can be a nice escape. Number 7. Journal your thoughts. Write down how you're feeling or anything that comes to mind. It can be a good way to process your emotions. Number 8. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Spend a few minutes focusing on your breath or using a meditation app. It can help center your thoughts. Number 9. Connect with someone. Reach out to a friend or family member, even if it's just a quick text. Sometimes talking to someone can lift up your spirits. Number 10. Watch a comforting show or a movie. Pick something light-hearted or nostalgic that you enjoy. Number 11. Set a timer for a quick task. Choose a small task like tidying up a corner of your room and set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes. You might be surprised at how much you can accomplish in a short time. Number 12. Create a vision board. Gather images or quotes that inspire you and create a visual representation of your goals or dreams. Number 13. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 things that you're grateful for, no matter how small. It can help shift your focus to the positive side. Number 14. Try a new hobby. Look into something you've always wanted to try, whether it's drawing, knitting, or learning a new language. Number 15. Limit screen time. Set a timer for how long you'll scroll on your phone and then take a break to do something else. Remember, the key is to start small and be kind to yourself. It's okay to take things one step at a time. If any of these ideas resonate with you, give them a try. Well, also, if you know someone who can also relate with this video, share it with them. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks!